So here you can also get souvenirs, no? Ang daming shirts and clothes, especially for beach clothes. Elephant themed, merong wallets. Ang ganda, it's so nice. You also have Muay Thai and elephant pants. I'm thinking if bibili ako dito para sa parents ko. No, not my parents, my aunties and mga lolo ko. Pero we'll see. Good evening, guys! So, ngayon, I'm looking for night markets, no? One of the things that I also want to explore here are night markets. So, just walking around, I see that there are a lot of bars, no? A lot of restaurants. Pero naman, let's explore the night market kasi we've been to the walking street, we've been to the Pattaya beach, and malapit na akong mag 10k steps. So the goal is also to reach 10k steps. So I need 4k more. Pero, you know, just walking around it. This is an adventure. Adventure, charot. And to relax. So, I have Google Maps with me. It says it's 11 minutes away from my hostel, Nonze Hostel. So, tingnan lang natin. And let's go. It's so colorful. Daming mga restaurants and bars. So, Italian, ito Japanese style naman, and mga inns and hotels. So this is very interesting. Guys, I had to put the camera down. Daming mga sexy na auntie na waiting for their customers. So I respect that. It's a hustle, pero it's not something that I want to get caught on camera. Number one, I respect their privacy, no, and their dignity. Number two, maraming mga batang nanonood sa vlogs ko, guys. So, ayoko magka-problema doon. So, guys, I am about 6 minutes away. I actually see the bazaar in front of me. So, yeah, hopefully we can find some things. I am very, very specific about what I want. I want a red flower clip for my hair. Yung parang sikat sa night markets na andun talaga. I just need one. So, let's go and find one, guys. Uy, guys, kainan. Parang mga restaurant dito. Tip Plaza, Pattaya. Guys, ito na ata yung bazaar. Ito. Pattaya Night Bazaar. Wow.
You want to big bag?
Guys, mga pasalubong. 1 for 85, 5 for 400. Daming pwedeng bilhan dito, guys. Daming bags. Okay, guys, parang mas safe mag-vlog dito. Kasi sa labas maraming mga nakatambay sa labas na magaganda. So here you can also get souvenirs, no? Ang daming shirts and clothes, especially for beach clothes. Elephant themed, merong wallets. Ang ganda, it's so nice. You also have Muay Thai and elephant pants. I'm thinking if bibili ako dito para sa parents ko. No, not my parents, my aunties and mga lolo ko. Pero we'll see. Nice, nice. Pwede kayong bumili din dito ng souvenirs, guys. Mostly clothes. May mga tailors din. I'm looking for a clip sa hair. Uy, mga incense. Oh, ang ganda ng mga dress. Parang mga office dress ko, guys. Pero mas malaki. More nanay. Hanap nga tayo ng mga style ng dress. Daming clothes. Ito, mga outfits. Elephant na football shirts. Flowers for Songkran. Where are you from?
I'm from Myanmar.
Myanmar? Oh, okay. I see. Thank you. Where's the clip? Okay, here. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. shorts din, guys. And dresses for kids and for adults. That's good. 200 baht. 200 baht yan. So, I got something, guys. I bought this clip from the shop. And the girl selling it is actually from Myanmar. She's Burmese, but she can speak Thai and English, which was really good. So this one, I got a cute clip for 39 baht. Let's try wearing this. I don't know if you can see it, guys, pero ang cute. 39 baht lang. That is the night bazaar dito sa Pattaya. It's another place na pwede mong bisitahin in case gusto mong bumili ng mga pasalubong and all that. Shoes, Thailand na shirts, football shirts din na peke. Marami dito, guys. So, souvenirs. Also for your family na hindi food related. There are some snacks pero mostly clothes, hats, wallets, magnets, scarves. Marami dito, guys. So yeah, Pattaya Night Bazaar in front lang ng Central World. Ito, guys, maraming skincare. Uy, 95 baht lang, guys. Yung Poison, yung Yadom. So, mas mura talaga pag bibili ka dito sa night market when it comes to these things.